Today we're checking out the brand new Rydeen R10-SPL. This is a 10-inch digital mirror dash cam. Now this isn't just your regular old dash camera. It comes with a rear backup camera and is a full HD mirror upgrade with features that make driving safer and more convenient. So let's dive in. Hey, what's up? Josh here from Breaker Stereo and Performance. Welcome to our channel that reviews all the best in car audio, performance, suspension, and more. Because we don't drive stock. And if you're like us where stock just doesn't cut it, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Now the R10-SPL is a 10-inch full screen digital mirror with a sharp 20 by 80 by 320 resolution display. Now it gives you a clean, wide view while replacing your factory mirror. Now this has a 1080p front camera with advanced CMOS sensor tech for light suppression and low light compensation. So your footage stays clear even at night. Now this package comes complete with a rear camera, the Sony WDR, and is IP67 waterproof. Now the rear camera is also 1080p with night vision and parking assist lines built in. Now what about storage? No problem. It supports up to a 256 gigabyte micro SD card, meaning hours and hours of recording. Now, of course, this comes with everything that you need, included the hardware kit, a mirror replacement mount if needed, and if you don't want to go that far, it even comes with the straps to go around the original rear view mirror. We recommend doing the mirror replacement so it's not just an add-on, it's a proper upgrade. Another thing to note too is this will play full time. So if you've ever been in a newer vehicle like the newer GM vehicles, Cadillacs, that rear view mirror is actually replaced with a screen. So this will create that same experience that you get in a modern vehicle. Now let's talk about features. Now this thing is loaded. You've got dual channel loop recording, so both the front and the rear cameras record non-stop. If you're ever in an accident, the G sensor locks the footage so that it doesn't get erased. Now there's also parking monitoring, which works 24/7 when hardwired, which is a great feature just in case something happens when the car is parked. And if you want more info while you're driving, you can add the optional GPS antenna that shows your speed and even keeps your time synced automatically. Okay, let's do a quick unboxing to see what you get with it. All right, so of course you have your owner's manual, that's important. All right, so this is the screen. It's got a really nice fit and finish. Front camera is here. All right, now these you can actually remove if you wanted to do the replacement mirror. If not, it comes with these straps here that basically go around. Okay, so that's a quick, easy installation if you want to kind of do it yourself. Okay, this goes like this. This will wrap around, okay, your existing mirror. Of course, it's not going to look quite as nice, but it's not too bad. Okay, this is a replacement panel here. You would unscrew these 4 screws and then replace it with this, okay, and then these little hooks will go away. And then you get the actual arm itself, and that will screw onto here, and then that goes on your windshield. All right, so this is the wiring for the mirror. Oh, and then they do give you this additional piece that gets mounted to the windshield. So you'll have one of these on your windshield. If it works, great. If it doesn't, then you will need to add this instead, okay? All right, now we also have the backup camera. This is the wiring they give you, which is plenty. And then here's your backup camera. So this is actually a really nice camera, a Sony camera. Got some weight to it, so that's really good. And seems to be a very well-made camera. Okay, so let's go to the garage and check this thing out. Now, when you first turn on the vehicle, this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna see the rear camera. This can be on full-time if you want. If not, you can just deselect that feature. Now, if I wanna see both front and the rear, I'm gonna swipe here, and that's gonna give me the rear. This is gonna give me the front. And if I want just the front, then I swipe one more time, and then that's the front. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the setup. All right, here you have your date and time. Here you can set your sensor. So this is a G sensor parking mode. If you can have it on or off, I'd recommend on this one, probably do it on at least medium, if not low. That way if someone hits your car or there's any type of impact, then it's gonna record for you. All right, as far as the G sensor driving mode, I would probably set that to medium or even low. Otherwise, every time you hit a bump really hard, then it may record. You're gonna want that only like on hard impact. So I would set that to low. All right, then you have your image mirroring. You also have parking light calibration. So if you tap that there, you can move these here. All right. or you can simply set those off if you don't want them. You can set the screensaver on or off. And then on startup mode, you can either do rear camera, front camera, or split screen. And then here you can format your SD card, and then here gives you your version. Okay, let's talk about some features on here that I really like. Okay, so let's say for instance, I pop this in reverse. Okay, there are my parking lines. Is you're actually able to angle this camera down a little bit. So let's say you're backing up and you're like, I don't know if there is something that is a little closer to me. I didn't really check that. So you're able to move the angle downward. That's a great feature. All right. Okay, and you're also able to do that with the front camera as well. So if you don't like the angle, here you can go maybe a little bit lower. So that's all adjustable on the fly, which is great. So this system does have some really great features at a really good price. And I love the way that they give you the option of not having to just strap it on your original mirror, actually replacing the mirror so it looks more factory. Okay, that'll conclude the demo. So the Rydeen R10-SPL, a 10-inch digital monitor that upgrades your visibility, records both front and rear in 1080p, and adds real peace of mind to your daily drive. Installation is clean and setup is extremely easy. And these features rival some of the top dash cams out there. Hard take. If you're ready to add safety and tech to your ride, this is a solid pick. You get everything you need in this package, including the mount to replace the original mirror, all at a really great price, coming in at $199. If you're interested in this product, we're going to leave a link in the description below, taking you directly to the product page. Okay, a very easy upgrade for modern features at a very affordable price. I love that they give you the backup camera, pictures excellent, and playback is extremely easy right on the mirror itself. Okay, that'll do it. My name is Josh. I'm with Breaker Stereo and Performance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.